Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to start dropshipping. So make sure to watch the full video. Starting a dropshipping business involves several steps. Here's a guide to help you get started. 1. Choose a niche. Select a specific niche or product category that you're interested in and that has demand. Narrowing down your focus will help you target a specific audience more effectively. 2. Market research. Research your chosen niche to understand your target audience, competitors, and market trends. Identify products that are in demand and have potential for profit. 3. Find suppliers. Supplier research. Look for reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Websites like AliExpress, Oberlo, Saledu, and worldwide brands can help you find suitable suppliers. Vet suppliers. Evaluate potential suppliers based on product quality, shipping times, customer reviews, and their responsiveness to your inquiries. 4. Choose a sales platform. E-commerce platform. Choose an e-commerce platform to set up your online store. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce for WordPress, and BigCommerce. Marketplace. Alternatively, you can start dropshipping on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Keep in mind that these platforms have their own rules and fees. 5. Set up your store. Domain name. Choose a memorable and relevant domain name for your store. Website design. Customize your store's design to create a professional and user-friendly interface. Use high-quality images and well-written product descriptions. Payment gateway. Set up a payment gateway to securely process customer payments. Popular options include PayPal, Stripe, and credit card payments. 6. Import products. Integration. If you're using platforms like Shopify, you can integrate tools like Oberlo or AliExpress to easily import products and product details. Product listings. Create product listings with compelling titles, descriptions, and clear images. Highlight the product's features, benefits, and any unique selling points. 7. Set pricing and profit margins. Pricing strategy. Determine your pricing strategy, considering factors like the cost of goods, shipping, and your desired profit margin. Be competitive within your market while ensuring profitability. 8. Handle orders. Automate processes. Most e-commerce platforms offer automated order processing. When a customer places an order, the order details are sent to the supplier for fulfillment. Shipping. The supplier will handle packaging and shipping directly to the customer. Make sure to communicate with customers about shipping times and tracking information. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.